Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to have an HEB grocery haul, and then stay tuned after the grocery haul. Towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you my chicken parm recipe. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick overview as usual, and then I'm going to show you everything we got piece by piece. I'm going to tell you what all we're going to be making with what we have here, and then I'm also going to tell you the price of all of this once I'm done. I'm going to start over here. We got a 4-pack of Sparkle paper towels. I got a bag of HEB brand dried sweetened cranberries. I've been putting these in my chicken salad and also in some coleslaw. I wanted to try out these again. I bought them before, but I got them in the watermelon flavor, but this is the cranberry apple flavor. These are really good. They're tasty. 55 milligrams of caffeine from coffee beans, 0 calories. I'm pretty sure there's no sugar because it says unsweetened. These give you really good energy and they taste good. Haven't tried that flavor, but I'm gonna be trying it, so yeah. Got 3 more packs of the 4 packs of Red Bulls. Again, they were buy 2, get 1 free. Got a bag of potatoes. We got some HEB fully cooked jalapeno and cheese kolaches. We also got some HEB frozen waffles, buttermilk flavor. I got some provolone cheese, some Oaxaca, however you pronounce it. I'm sure somebody will call me out on that, so there you go. That's how it's spelled. That's cool. We got some roasted tomato, mozzarella, and basil ravioli. 2 packs of Jimmy Dean Heat and Serve original sausage links. I got some more of these spinach herb Mission brand carb balanced tortillas. These are so good with eggs and stuff like that. Just make a little taco, breakfast burrito, whatever. They are pretty good. Got some Taco Bell original taco seasoning mix. Got some nacho cheese Doritos. We got some jalapeno cheese balls. We got some fettuccine pasta. I got a cantaloupe, 3 oranges, 3 apples, 3 tomatoes. Don't know what's up with that pattern of numbers, but there you go. Got a red onion, green onions, some mini cucumbers, some romaine lettuce. Got some pancake and waffle syrup, some Ortega taco sauce, Italian dressing, the Olive Garden, so we can make Olive Garden salad, mayonnaise, mustard, marinara sauce, chicken stock, and ketchup. Nice little condiments we got going on there. I was running out of them, okay? Got some sour cream, some half and half, some heavy whipping cream. We got some ground sirloin ground beef. We got some ground chuck ground beef. We got some hot Italian ground sausage and some extra thin sliced chicken breast. And I also got a few personal items which will not be shown or mentioned in this video. Oh, and we also got an extra Red Bull just for Alan to drink on the way home. I'm telling you all that because I'm going to be telling you the price in a minute. Okay, anyways. And Alan just reminded me we did get a big pack of waters that are still in the back of the truck that we need to get out. But I decided to show you cannoli really quick because she's looking so cute. Anyways, so everything was from HEB. I saved $12.31 today because there was on sale savings of $1.85. HEB brand savings $4, and then I had $6.46 in coupons. My total today was $120.68. That was the subtotal. $2.84 sales tax. My overall total was $123.52, which I think was actually pretty good for all this. We got lots of stuff, good stuff. Got some meals and condiments and fruits and vegetables and snacks. And yeah, now I'm gonna tell you everything we're gonna be cooking this week with everything you see here. So I wrote out my little menu here. It looks a little sloppy, and I actually forgot to add in breakfast because we got the waffles and the sausage and all that. So we're gonna be having waffles with the sausage and scrambled eggs. We're gonna be having chicken parm over alfredo. We're gonna be having Italian sausage with sour cream sauce and ravioli. We're gonna be having tacos and also meatloaf with mashed potatoes. Hello, cannoli. What's up, girl? Aw, she's so adorable. So anyways, that is my grocery haul of the day. And like I said, we also had a pack of waters that isn't shown here. I hope you enjoyed this part of the video and knowing what I'm gonna be cooking all week. I know it all sounds absolutely delicious, and it's gonna be. Yeah, so next I'm gonna share with you my chicken parm with alfredo recipe right after this. One more thing I wanted to mention, don't forget to scan your receipt into your Fetch app. If you don't have the Fetch app yet, I will link it down below and give you my code. You'll get some starter points and you can use those points towards free gift cards. Every receipt you scan gets points and you can get free gift cards. It's legit, I use it all the time. It's awesome and you should do it too. So the first thing I'm doing here is making an Olive Garden salad. We're using romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, black olives, aroma tomato, red onion, and of course the Olive Garden dressing. The only thing I am missing is the croutons, which I totally forgot about, so don't forget to add them. I'm gonna go ahead and chop my lettuce up first, and then I'm gonna put it in my lettuce washer or spinner, whatever it's called. If you don't own one of these, you totally should, because it's a game changer. I absolutely love mine. I just put my lettuce in the strainer, I run some water over it, then I put it in the spinner, spin it around a few times, drain out the water, spin it again, and it's just like the best thing ever. This salad is really easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly suggest you do. So I'm just cutting up my tomatoes and then I'm gonna thinly slice my red onion, mix it all together, and that's literally all you have to do. And like I said, don't forget your croutons. So the first step with the chicken parm is make sure you get the extra thin sliced. These are so good. They look paper thin, but by the time you're done with them, they're just outstanding. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken first with garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna do that on both sides. I cracked 2 eggs in a bowl and I'm just mixing it together, making sure it's mixed well, and then I'm gonna have 2 separate plates. So one is going to have the Italian panko, and then the other plate is gonna be where you transfer your chicken before you put it in the pan. So the first thing you're gonna do is dip your chicken into the egg. Make sure it's completely coated with the egg so that the breadcrumbs stick really well. Let some of the excess drip off and then put it right there in the breadcrumbs. I'm using my hands to do this, which I normally don't, but I honestly feel like it works way better so you can get it completely coated. So now I'm just pressing the panko breadcrumbs into the chicken, just making sure it's completely covered on both sides, and then transferring it to the clean plate, and then I'm just gonna continue doing that with the rest of the chicken. So this chicken parm is going to be served over pasta with alfredo sauce. If you want the full recipe to the alfredo sauce, it's the Olive Garden copycat recipe, but I do have a video on it where I show you exactly how to make it and what all goes into it and all that fun stuff. I'll have that link down below if you want to check it out. So now that I got my alfredo started, I've got my water back there, gonna get that boiling, and I'm adding the oil to my pan and I'm gonna let this heat up. And this is the pasta we're going to be using, which is linguine. I highly recommend adding a good amount of oil to your pan because those panko crumbs just soak up that oil so quickly. And I ended up having to add extra oil in the middle of cooking the chicken, so I would just suggest having enough oil in there. So now that my pan and my oil is hot and ready, I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 of the chickens in there because my pan is not big enough to fit all of them, so we're just gonna cook 3 at a time. Because the chicken is so thin, it does not take long to cook at all. So you just cook it a few minutes on each side, continually flipping it. And what I like to do is make sure it's got that super crispy golden crust on it, and which should look like that kind of, what I'm showing right there. So, and then to make sure they're done, I just go in with my kitchen scissors, cut a little bit in there. When I see it's done, then I'm gonna start adding in my sauce. I'm using the HEB brand marinara. You can use whatever sauce you want. Just take a spoon it over there, spread it over there real good. You can put as little or as much as you want. That's totally up to you. And then right after I'm done spreading that marinara on there, I'm gonna go in with my slices of provolone cheese. I'm gonna put that right on top of that sauce, and then I'm gonna put a lid on it. And we're gonna let that cheese melt, and that's literally all you have to do. So in a bowl, I don't know why I do this, but I literally do this all the time because I hate mixing it on a plate, but I just put my pasta and pour some of the alfredo sauce in a separate bowl, mix it together, put it down on the plate, pop that chicken parm right on top, add some extra Parmesan cheese, and bam, you're done. This meal is absolutely delicious. It's making my mouth water right now just watching this video. It is so good. You cannot go wrong with this. It's so easy to make and it doesn't take a lot of time to make it. I also wanted to remind you to check out the video in the description. Like I said, I will have the Olive Garden salad and the Alfredo recipe video in the description.